I don't know how that woman knew as much as she did. She never walked out of the house, except maybe with the telegram, but she never walked out of the house. Very smart lady. Kosher home, right? My Uncle Al would take us down to Bamboo's, Chinatown. Walk downstairs, and I'd hold on to my father, my uncle's hand, always telling me about the tongs. Scared the hell out of me. And we'd have all this great food. And then we'd rush in and say, hey, Graham, guess what? Guess what? Kinder, did you have a good time? Yeah, but, don't tell me. She didn't want to know. And a lot of things that, like that, I don't want to know. I understand, I don't want to know. But she is someone you can sit down and talk to. She, pretty smart cookie. We lived on 41st Street. The oldest synagogue in those days was on 41st and 12th Avenue, about a quarter of a block. So she could walk over there, the High Holy Days in particular. And she'd sit upstairs, of course, you know. And I'd go up to see her. And she'd sit there and pray and be in absolute tears. Always in tears. I guess she was remembering her mother and father.